This is the Liu-Hjg projector headlight assembly that I bought online. I'll share the link in the description for you to buy. I think I got this for 4,500 rupees per unit. I got 2 units, and this is for my Thar. As per the description, I see it is compatible with the Royal Enfield, Mahindra Thar, etc. It is 7-inch. Look at the branding. The model name is C-325 Projector Headlight, Liu-Hjg. Check out the quality here. Packaging is good, decent. And they have mentioned here, Alpha is the last one that I see here. Nothing much. Motorcycle headlight can be used with your car. Energy saving 70%, improved brightness 50%, service life 30,000 hours. And by the way, this is the most powerful LED from Liu-Hjg. Operating temperature, you can see it is IP68 waterproof, high quality, DC from 9 volt up to 60 volt, new pattern. Let's try to unbox this and see what we get inside. Try to open this and show you. And spec wise, low beam works at 65 watts, somewhere around 65 watt. High beam is 75 watt per unit. And if you have dual setup like mine, you will get a massive 150 watt of projector lighting. 3-inch metal projector lens, sharp beam cutoff with long range throw, excellent focus on highway, night ride, etc. Durability IP67 certified, high grade aluminum alloy housing, metal projector assembly with DRL yellow and white. And it has coupler to coupler wiring, so you don't have to cut any wires. And you get a direct replacement guarantee from the website that I bought. Actually, I got this from Sam Garage, so you can claim your warranty directly from Sam Garage. They are authorized distributor for this Liu-Hjg projector headlight. Let's try to unbox this and check how it looks. You get a good packaging here, and inside the packaging we have our light. Check out the build quality. Alpha branding here. This is the massive lens that I see, and you have the DRL. Casing is aluminum, and it is powder coated, and you see the knob here, I think, to release the moisture if it is trapped inside. So you can, I think, remove this. So this is the moisture release, I think. And then coupler to coupler fitting for your high beam, low beam, white. And this is for your DRL, white and yellow. Check out the build quality, it is amazing. Completely made of metal and high grade plastic, I believe. Let me try to show you the DRL, and then I can show you the projector throw in high beam and low beam. This is the DRL yellow light. Let me try to show you the DRL white light. This is very bright, by the way. The DRL white light, you can see how powerful this thing is, and imagine the output that you will get from high beam and low beam with 2 projector headlamps installed. Let me try to install this, and let me try to show you how is the throw. This is the low beam. Very happy with the output. This is the high beam. Again, this is the low beam, this is the high beam. Let me show you the DRL and the indicator light.